We're making bacon wrapped filet kebabs on the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer coming up. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making kebabs on the air fryer. Now we'll go through what's on the kebabs in a second. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell next to it. You get all the good stuff we're doing here, whether it's on the Brio Air Fryer, the Pit Barrel, the Blackstone, the Kettle. We do everything here, all right? Today, we are doing kebabs on our air fryer, and we're doing it in collaboration with Kirby's Fishing Grill. Now, him and I got this thing about the same time. Kirby's a good dude. He's been doing air fryer recipes for a long time now. So make sure you head over there. I'll put his link, right here, all right? And go over there and check him out. Tell him I said hi. See what he did on his Brio Air Fryer. And let's get started. I'm gonna get you over here. I've already made up a few of the kebabs. I'm just gonna do one stick's worth right now in the camera just so you can see what's going on. We're gonna start making this last kebab. If you look over here, we have 4 already done. Rhyme or reason, not really. We just wanna kind of make it uniform, make it tasty, make it good to go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a bell pepper in here. I've varied the colors, it doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna do a big old sausage. And then maybe one more bell pepper. No, turn it this way. I'm kind of making the curves on the vegetables, go on the curves of the meat so it stays a little tighter to it. And then with the onions for the next part of the meat, I'm turning it facing the other way. So there is a little rhyme and reason to it, but you see how it'll accept the meat in closer. All right, so we got this wonderful filet mignon, this thick cut bacon. This is decadence right here. This is the good stuff. And we're rolling it up, and we're gonna skewer it right through the seam. I'm trying to go through the meat, not just through the fat. And you see how it's bunching up to the meat there. All right, so we got red and green. Let's put a orange bell pepper on here. You see? All right. Now we'll do a red one, and we'll add our sausage. You see how it butts up there. And then let's do a green one. All right. And again, we'll put the onion facing out, and we'll roll up another. All right. All right. Stick it through the meat. All right. Get it so it meets up there. All right. And we'll cap it off with a red one. Okay. So you see how that looks? We got 2 sausages, 2 meats, a bunch of veggies, and we'll put it right in here. All right. Looking good. Now for the first part of the cook, we're just gonna cover it with a little seasoning salt. This is my own blend. I'll put the blend down below, but it's just an all-purpose seasoning. Okay, let's get this shut down. We're gonna go 375 and the cook time for 15 minutes. About halfway through, I'll check it. By the end, we're gonna add a little barbecue sauce to it. Let it go for 5 more minutes so the barbecue sauce gets caramelized, and we'll be ready to eat. So come on back. All right, guys, we're back. This thing just ended. We did 15 minutes at 375. I think we need to go probably another 15 more minutes. I've adjusted these as best I can, but they're kind of moving around on their own free will. But it is getting heat circulated all the way through, so we'll be good to go. Just brushing a little barbecue sauce on here. It'll get nice and caramelized. And I'll monitor it while we're cooking to make sure it doesn't get too caramelized and burnt. All right, guys. So this is it. When to come on.
All right, guys. Let's recap the ingredients. We have some bacon for our fillets that we're gonna wrap up. All different color bell peppers, white sweet onion, smoked sausage, my little seasoning blend, and a little bit of Stubbs sweet heat barbecue sauce. And our air fryer with the skewers.
All right, guys, we're back. We got this out of the air fryer. Just what I thought would happen happened when I put the barbecue sauce on. It really did caramelize and damn near burn, but luckily, we caught it in time. So the breakdown of the time and the ingredients will be down below, but it was about 30 minutes at 375. So pretty simple. But this is looking pretty dang good to me. So I'm gonna take a quick bite. Got some of this filet with little bacon. You know, it's had the bell peppers around it, had the onions around it, had tons of flavor. It's a winner right there. You know, bacon and filet goes together so well. The seasonings on there, the onions, the peppers, all that stuff is awesome. Really happy with this. I love the way this cooked. I really just set it and forget it. I probably shouldn't forget it for those last 2 minutes though. But it's awesome, tastes great. Give this a shot. I can't wait to see what Kirby did with his. I know he probably had some more vegetables. He's a more vegetable kind of guy than I am, but I'm sure they look awesome. Why don't you head over to this channel? Like I said, I put in the iCard. It's in the description below. If you're looking to get one of these brios, there's going to be a link in the description also, and there'll be a link in the comments that I'll have pinned up there. Listen, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.